Hey guys, it's Cameron Brett from the Secret of Films, and today I would like to talk about a new ringtone I made. It's based off of an inside joke we have going at the house. I'm kind of like this crazy, Bigfoot-ish type creature, and I decided to emulate that with a ringtone to describe how my grunchiness is to anyone who listens to it. So, let's have a listen. And yes, that was me as a voice sample in that ringtone, in case you didn't hear. So, have a good one, and enjoy the rest of your day. This has been Cameron Brett from the Secret of series.
I